Looking for a 24-hour plumber in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know that plumbing emergencies can happen at any time. That's why we're always ready to help with fast, reliable service, day or night. Whether you're facing a burst pipe, a clogged drain, or any other plumbing issue, our experienced team is just a call away. We specialize in providing quick solutions that minimize damage and restore comfort to your home or business. In Edmonton, we understand the unique challenges homeowners face, and our local expertise ensures we're equipped to handle your plumbing needs promptly and efficiently. Choose Kingstree Plumbing for expert service, transparent pricing, and a team you can trust. Keep watching to learn more or call us now for immediate assistance